The Earth and its layers. Observe these images. The Earth, our planet, is blue when looking at it from space because it's mostly made up of water. But we can also identify brown and green patches of land as well as white clouds floating in the sky. This is because of the materials which make up the Earth. It is distributed in layers. The lightest layer, such as gases, occupy the exterior layer, and the heavier ones, like rocks, are in the interior. Our Earth is divided into 3 different spheres: the geosphere, the hydrosphere, and the atmosphere. The geosphere is the most solid part of the Earth and is divided into 3 separate layers: the core, the mantle, and the crust. The core is the Earth's center. It is made up of metals and its temperatures are extremely high. The mantle is the geosphere's thickest layer. The temperature in the mantle is also very high, so high that some rocks found there even melt. The crust is the external layer. It is composed of rocks and it is where the continents are formed, as well as islands and also the seabed. So in a sense, we can say it's the ground we walk on. The hydrosphere is the combination of all the waters that exist on Earth, and it makes up of 3/4 of the ground's surface. Hydro means water, but water, as we all know, can be either as a liquid, solid, or gas, meaning it is distributed in various different ways throughout our planet. The liquid form of water is found in rivers, lakes, oceans, and seas, as well as in minuscule drops which make up the clouds. We see water in a solid form, in ice and snow. And in gas, we find it in the atmosphere, where the sun's heat evaporates the water from the Earth's surface. The most external part of our planet is the atmosphere, which is a layer of air which covers the Earth. It is made up of gas and water vapor. The atmosphere is divided into 2 layers: the troposphere, which is the closest layer to the Earth, and the stratosphere, which is where the ozone is located and is the most distant layer from our planet. The atmosphere is really important as it plays fundamental functions. For example, it supplies the oxygen so that the animals can live. It withholds heat, and it filters the sun's rays, some of which are very harmful for living things. Therefore, in Happy Learning, as always, we like you to take care and respect nature. Don't throw rubbish on the ground, in other words, on the geosphere. Do not pollute the seas and rivers with plastic, cans and bottles, because as you know, the water, the hydrosphere, is absolutely fundamental for life. And of course, try to contaminate the air as little as possible. The atmosphere. If we are able to maintain our planet clean and healthy, all living creatures will be happier. Goodbye, friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Happy Learning TV.